Hi, my name is Manju. I have developed a website, an e-commerce website where a customer can shop for different items. Management can manage their products and also get a report on the products sold. I have developed this website using HTML, CSS, ADO.NET, Entity Framework, Linq to SQL, SQL queries, SQL join, store procedures, and I have developed this website using Visual Studio and Sql Server. Whenever a customer clicks on home page, they can see the video of Manju's store. Whenever they click about us, they can read the description about different kind of products sold in my website. So whenever a customer comes in and tries to buy a product, they cannot buy a product until they are logged in or they are registered user. So first, let us try to register. So on the registration page, when a user tries to submit the form without filling out anything, it would give validation error and it would set focus on the username. So you can see it would give validation error if the user tries to enter random data. So you can see once all the validation error is checked, the system registers the user and redirects the user to the shop page. Not only that, as you can see, if the username already exists, then it would say name Mia123 already, and it's already taken. So the user needs to register with a different username. So once the user is redirected to the shop page, the user can buy the items. It would say 2 products has been added successfully. You can continue shopping. Six products has been added successfully, and it also shows right here that you have 2 products that has been added to your cart. And once you clicked on your username, it would show your item, your unit price, the quantity, the total, and also you can delete the item if you do not want to buy the particular item. Not only that, it shows the total. Tax is calculated at 8.25%. Shipping is fixed cost of $10, and it also gives you the grand total. If you do not want to add the item, maybe if you change your mind about the item, you can delete the item from here. Or if you change your mind about the quantity, you can change the quantity, and the total tax, shipping, and net total would be adjusted accordingly. If you want to continue shopping, you can do continue shopping, or else if you want to check out the item, you can check your item out. Now on the login page, if your username and your password is invalid, then it will give you the error message saying that your username or the password is invalid. And if you try to log in with the invalid username or password for more than 3 times, then it would give you the message saying that invalid username or password for 3 times, your button is locked. So after that, you cannot access your button at all. I have used view state to achieve this. Now on contact us page, user can also send the message to the person who is running the website. They can put their name, so after the message is sent, it would give you the message saying thank you for contacting us, and it would lock all the text boxes and the button. You cannot send the same message again and again. Once the message is sent, the message would come to your Gmail. You can see that sender name is Jack Simon. The sender email is jacksim@yahoo.com. You can see the comment as this is a query, thank you. The client or the customers would not have access to report and management tab. Whenever they would click on report or management tab, they would be redirected to the login page, advising them to log in with administrative privilege. So if you do have an administrative privilege, then you can log in with your username and password. So once you log in with your username and password with administrative privilege, then you can access the report tab, and you can also access the management tab. So once you click on the report tab, you would have all the customer name and customer details about, and the product detail about the products that has been sold. So as you can see, John has bought product ID 2, Jack has bought product ID 2, Mia has bought product ID 4. You can also access or search, to be specific, you can search your customers with their first name, with their last name, and or the product ID, or you can, if you want, you can put the full name. And as you can see, you have John's shipping address, zip code, the product they have bought, the quantity, date they have purchased, and either you can access the customer with their last name. And if you do not have any customer with that last name, it says no row exists for the entered data. Or if you want to see all the customers, you just need to enter your text box, just press on search, and it will get back to all the customers that you have. As I said, you can access the customers with their last name as well. Let's take Anderson right here. So you'd have all the customer name with Anderson and the products that they have bought, date purchase, and the details. And you not only that, you can search this grid view with the product ID as well. Let's take the product ID 8. So you'd have all the customer details who have bought that product. Also, you can, if you do not know your customer name, then you can just enter partial name and you'll have a person's first name with JO right here. So if you do not know their full last name, you can just access their data with partial last name. So it will search all the last name with AN. So if you want to print or export your grid view to PDF, then you can just press export to PDF and you would have a message, your file is ready to view in PDF document folder. What you need to do is just go to your file right here, or you can just type in the folder PDF document and all the data would be exported to PDF file. Also, if you have any special character in a source text box, then it will give a validation error saying special character is not allowed. Now onto the management page, user can add new product type. As you can see, the product type pant, shirt, coat, tie, kurta, and sari is added to our review. Now you can edit the name, or if you want, you can delete the name as well. And same here, once you have added your product type, you can add the product. If you can see the pant product type, once the pant product type has been added, the pant product is added right here. You can do same thing with the product. You can edit them. Update has been successful. As you can see, pant has been changed from pant to pant 1. Now you can also delete the row if you want. And now let's add a product here. So to add a product, we got to add the product type. Let's say Dhaka Topi. And let's browse the image. You can see Dhaka Topi has been inserted and the file has been uploaded. And once we go to management page, we can see Dhaka Topi the product type Takatopi has been added. Once we add the product type Takatopi, we can add the product name. You can see Takatopi product type has been added. Let's give it a number of 200, and let's give it the image. We have already added the image as takatopi.jpg, and let's add a description. As you can see, product Takatopi has been inserted to our system. And if you go to the management page, you can see product ID 20, type ID 25, Topi, price 200, and the description and the picture has been added. So once you add the product, we can go to shop. As you can see, our product has been added with an image, the name of the image, and the price. And once you have added the image, you can see the image, the product description, and the product price. It is ready to be bought by the customer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video.